So this video, we are at Loch, which is kind of the central Scotland. It's not the darkest skies, but it's reasonably dark skies. But you'll see why I'm here at Loch. There's a new statue called the Mirror Man. Well, when I say new, it's been here before, but for the past, I'm sure it's about 8 years, it's been getting renovated or just getting redone. So it's not been here for a while, and it's quite an iconic statue. Literally, it's called the Mirror Man, so you can expect what it is. It's like a man made of mirrors. So I've put the drone up and flew around the place so you can see the landscape around here, but it's an amazing little statue, so I'm just about to go near it. It's quite busy just now. Because it's quite a well-known statue, or it was, and it's gone away and then it came back obviously. It's pretty busy just now. We've got lovely clear skies here in Loch, and you can imagine what I'm going to be trying to do tonight, so I'm going to try and capture it under the night sky. There's a lot of people here enjoying obviously the nice sunset colours. The sun just dipped behind the Highlands just about 20 minutes ago, so it's quite busy just there. You'll see on the drone footage how busy it was, and yeah, it's just because it's an iconic location. So I'm going to go up pretty close to it and try and get some footage of it. Look at this landscape. But it's kind of dark sky. It's not the darkest of skies because we've got the central belt just over the mountains over there, but it's dark enough sky, so I'm going to try and capture it with Orion in the background. So literally Orion is setting in the west just now. We're mid-March, so yeah, this statue down Loch is west facing, so Orion's going to be right behind it, so I think it's going to be quite an iconic shot. But yeah, let's go to the statue. So it's 7:15 now, and as you can see it's getting dark, but it's not fully dark now. I can just make out the brightest stars now. I can just see Orion's belt and Jupiter and things like that. But what I'm going to do is, I'm not going to photograph it, but I'm just going to show you the ISS is meant to make a nice wee flyover pretty much any second now. At 7:14 it's meant to come over for about 3 minutes, and now it's pretty much 7:14 now. So I'm just kind of waiting. It's supposed to go from all the way from the west all the way to the east. So there's the ISS just behind me now. Straight behind me. It's going over the bright star Sirius. And I think it was just recently there was astronauts stranded on the ISS. They were meant to do like an 8-day mission. It turned into like 9 months, so they've just been kind of rescued, if you call it that, from the ISS. So it's kind of in the news a lot just now of stuff about the ISS. Cool, and that's about it until it's fully dark, and then we'll capture Orion over the Mirror Man.
Tomorrow's fantastic as well, yeah. You alright, Stephen?
Yep, just nearly falling in the water.
So I haven't got a red lamp, I've only got a white lamp. I can't.
But when there's loads of lights about, it's not like we need night vision really.
I can't see when it's a red light.
Yeah, that is hard light, but...
No 24mm, 20 or...
Yeah, I just used my big beast of a 14mm 1.4. It's an absolute conker.
Sony? Sigma?
It's a Sigma.
Ah.
It's an absolute beast.
Right, yeah.
It does weigh a lot, so I have to put it on that. I don't trust ball heads with
Oh
it.
Christ.
It's an absolute
Huge.
chunk.
I've just sold the 12 to 24 Sony.
Yeah.
With the extensive one.
Okay, so as you could probably tell, it's quite a busy location here. So I'm just going to quickly kind of get the shots and call it a night, because people just keep coming and going, because it's just an iconic location just now. So lovely, as you can see, clear skies. So I've done a close-in shot, landscape, portrait, and then I'm going to do a far-away shot, landscape and portrait. The landscape one's a wee bit better because it'll kind of isolate the statue against the water, whereas going close, it kind of goes past the horizon, so it's a wee bit messy. But I'll pop obviously the pictures up, and hopefully they look really good. So I'm going to go before someone else pulls up, because it's just very awkward to film when it's very busy, obviously. But as you can see, it's a very creepy location. So hopefully you enjoyed the images, and yeah, thanks for watching.